Welcome again, viewers. Today we have a very special program.
We have two chefs invited. Welcome to Sarto
And Barto!
First of all, let me introduce our first invited, Mr. Conti.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Conti.
Hi, Mr. Sarto.
Hello.
Hello.
And our second invited today is Mr. Rade. Sorry, Mr. Rade is a bit late. Well, we'll start washing our hands to keep them clean.
With wigs.
Okay.
Okay, after washing our hands, we have to wash the food. This is lettuce for the salad.
And this is the machine.
We put it there.
You have to wash it with the water and then put in here.
Okay,
Here's the oil.
Here we close the machine, and Mr. Conti had changed like this.
yeah, we put a bit of oil there for the taste. Okay,
And it is ready.
now we put it here in pieces.
A little bit of salt.
Okay, there we have a bit of salt. Mr. Conti, please, a bit of salt.
And now comes the tuna. We open the
Delicious.
tuna in this way. Now we use the knife and we open. It's open, but it has had a little bit of oil. So we make in this way. Now we open it.
You have to be very careful because it could cut your finger. No, you put all the tuna there
And you use
with the fork.
a fork.
You have to make it so to have a better presentation. Of course, you can add pepper or the things you like, so it tastes better. And now we have it ready, and it looks delicious.
Oh, I'm starving. I want to eat a bread with butter, but I'm too fat.
Here you are, the new Bonella Light.
Bonella!
Okay, now we are making lasagna. Wait, they informed me that Mr. Rade had just arrived. I'll go get him.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Rade.
Hi, Mr. Ryan. How are you?
Fine.
Wash your hand.
Yes, of course.
Now we are going to do lasagna. We need onions.
Here you are.
Thank you.
I'm going to chop the onions.
And I'm going to chop the meat.
I'm crying. The next step is prepare the bechamel sauce. I will get the ingredients. First of all, you need a little spoon of butter, a cup of milk, salt, and another spoon of flour.
When you finish with the onions, you have to put it in the fried pan.
I'll have you prepare the frying pan with oil.
Now you have to use the spoon. Very tasty. When the onions are ready, you have to put the meat in the fry pan. So you have to wait. Now you can add a little bit of salt.
And I will add the tomato sauce.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Mr. Conti, do you know where Mr. Barto went?
They informed me that he's in the bathroom. It seems delicious.
Yes, I know. But I need Mr. Barto, he knows. Now I'm going to look for Mr. Barto.
Me too.
Now I will continue preparing the bechamel sauce. Mr. Barto, can you help me with the bechamel sauce, please?
Of course. What do you need?
Okay, first of all, you need to turn the oven on. Give me a little bit of butter.
Of course.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Yes. Now give me a little bit of flour.
Okay. Here you are.
Good. Give me the cup of milk. It is there.
Of course.
Please
Here.
add it slowly.
Slowly.
Very well.
It smells very well.
Yes.
It's a very nice recipe.
Okay. If you want, you can add a little bit of pepper. Give it to me, please.
Of course.
Thanks. Okay. In 5 or 6 minutes, it will be ready. You must mix it all the time. You can't stop.
Okay, now that the sauce is ready, I'll go get the other chefs to finish the lasagna. Excuse me.
Okay.
Mr. Conti, we are back.
Yes.
Look at the bechamel sauce.
Oh, delicious. Now we have to finish the lasagna. Here is the lasagna. First of all, we have to put one of them.
And then the meat.
Delicious. Now I've got to look for the cheese.
Now put the cheese.
I like this very.
If you can see, the bechamel sauce is ready.
Now we need the bechamel sauce. Can you put it there, please?
Okay.
May I help you?
No, thanks.
Delicious. Now the lasagna is ready. To the oven.
It's ready.
It's ready.
I will put it.
at that.
Oh, delicious. I want
Very
to
hot.
eat.
Look at that.
So proud of me. It's better for your bones.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, now we'll prepare a lemon mousse. With the help of my friend brother, we'll cook a delicious dessert.
For this, we will need evaporated milk, condensated milk, and lemon. First of all, I will prepare the lemon juice. Meanwhile, my friend Barto will prepare the evaporated milk.
Okay, first of all, we open the evaporated and put it all in here. That's it. It's very important that it must be very cold. Okay, all of it. Now, you mix it very slowly, so it don't get out of the bowl. Then, as it gets thicker, you have to increase the power. You have to do this until it gets the double of the size. You can see it's thicker. Now I can increase the power. You have to be very careful because it jumps everywhere, so it's important you clean the kitchen after doing it. It's getting very well. And it smells very well too.
I will open the condensated milk.
Okay. That's it. Now, please rather put the condensated milk in here, please. Very slowly. That's and we mix it with very low power. Very slowly. That's it.
Very good.
It's looking very good and smelling very good too. All of it, please, rather. Fast. Okay. That's it.
Yes.
Now, very slowly too, you have to put the lemon juice. Please, rather. Very slowly. The lemon juice gives all the taste to this dessert. That's it. It looks delicious. You have to mix it quite a while till it gets thicker. Okay.
And now we'll put the lemon mousse in this cup. Please, Mrs. Barto, a spoon.
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Delicious.
It looks pretty good.
And finally, the cherry. As you can see, this is very easy to prepare and very delicious.
And this is the lunch for today. This was
Sarto!
and Barto.
Mr. Conti, we are back.
Yes.
Look at my bechamel
delicious.
sauce. Do you want taste?
Mr. Conti, we are back.
Yes.
Look at my bechamel sauce. It is delicious, tasty.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now
Espérate.
okay, now we'll prepare a lemon. Okay, now
Te dije que no, idiota.
okay, now we'll okay, now we'll prepare a lemon. Okay, now we'll cook a lemon. No.
Puta, me pusiste nervioso. First of all, let me introduce our fish invited. First of all, let me introduce our fish invited. First of all, let me introduce our fish invited. Mr. Dalton. all, let me introduce our first invited, Mr. Quentino. First of all, let me introduce you our first invited, Mr. Conti.
Hi.
Hello, mister. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Barto.
And we have our second invited, Mr. Ladini.
¡Eres un idiota! First of all, let me introduce you our first invited, Mr. Pardo.
Pardo.
First of all, let me introduce you our first invited, Mr. Conti.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Conti.
Hello.
Hi, Barto.
And our second invited is Mr. Brandy.
Mattia. Oh.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Ralph.
Hi, Mr. Radolfo.
How are you? Hi, Mr. Ralph. How are you?
Hi.
No, me quité la...
Hi, Mr. Ralph.
Hi, Mr. Radolfo.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Wash your hands, please.
Fine, guy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Mr. Ralph.
Hi, Mr. Radolfo. How are you?
Fine.
Wash your hands, please.
Yes, of course.
Now we are going to prepare the lasagna. We will need onions.
Depende.
Hi,
Hi.
Mr.
No, no, no.
And yeah. And the next step is make the next step is prepare the bechamel sauce. I will get the ingredients. First of all, you need a spoon of butter. First, no butter no. Step is prepare. Next step is prepare the bechamel. First of ya, viste que todo.
Oye, es tan basic yo como media hora así.
Flour and this to